Guangdong Real Faith Lighting Technology Company Limited, affiliated to Guangdong Real Faith Enterprise Group Holding Company Limited, is specialized in manufacturing of streetlight, solar streetlight, intelligent pole, garden light, and professional lighting solutions. With firmly persist in development, environment protection, and high quality, we have achieved remarkable results in the past 29 years. Our lighting project of Shanghai Yangtze River Super Long Subsea Tunnel had been completed with high quality and received good reputation. Both EMC contract of Nanning City Lighting and Wanda Plaza Retrofit Project were enrolled in Top 10 Excellence Demonstration Project. We have many honors, such as the backbone brands in demonstration area of National Semiconductor Lighting Industry Executive Brand, Guangdong High-Tech Enterprise, etc. We also engaged in promoting smart city construction in recent years. The intelligent pole, which integrates functions of micro-base of 5G, Wi-Fi, CCTV, etc., works as the solid foundation of the smart city, as well as a key loop for 5G. The intelligent poles have been exported to countries among the Belt and Road Initiative. Our Crocodile Series road light has been authorized by the Qatar Ashghal approved list for street lighting LED luminaire. We have R&D engineers, solution engineers, after-sales engineers, and CNAS laboratory. Our products have been granted with patents and ENEC CE RoHS certifications. We also have ISO 9001, ISO 14000, OHAS 18001 certification.
We can provide street lights. Product which meet your requirements. Welcome to contact us.